Back locally now, unrecognizable. That's how you would describe the state of the Montego Sports Complex following the damage done by Hurricane Melissa. What used to be the mecca of sports in the second capital is now a wreck.
The destruction that Hurricane Melissa left in her wake is almost beyond belief. It didn't just damage the country or disrupt people's lives, it destroyed homes, businesses, communities, and sporting facilities. Melissa didn't just take a seat at the Montego Bay Sports Complex, it took many. This goalpost would have been in the way of many shots before, but none like the net ripper delivered by Melissa. A watchdog guarded the facility, but even he looks tired and had trouble staying alert. Those who would have seen the stadium are in disbelief.
I've been to the venue. It took me a while to get there. Just seeing the pictures, just to know and see what has happened to our fortress. It was hard to go there and see it personally.
It is still too early to say what the extent of the damage to the stadium is.
Now, based on what we have observed, it will not be usable for at least the next 3 months or so.
As the sun hits the complex, the grass are slowly peeping out, maybe unsure if the danger has been averted. The outfield looked like a lake ran dry.
I think it's more like 8 to 10 inches of mud, not 4 to 6. But I don't have a timeline. I think we're continuing to do our assessments. The first thing is to clean up the place, make it look like normal again, and then we can carry out the continued assessments to then determine, the date as to when we can find ourselves back at Catronal.
One thing for sure, it will cost a fortune to get it back to where it was.
Facilities, they have insurance, and the Catronal Sports Complex, we have over $400 million in insurance, and we have to look at how we can utilize that to restore.
And as the wait goes on, it is uncertain how soon Montego Bay United will be able to play at the stadium, with the Jamaica Premier League set to resume on December 7.
As a club, we will find a ground. We're not looking at this as a perspective of we need to be in a stadium immediately. We want to have a ground in the West where we can play our matches, whether that means it can support 100 people coming, 500 people coming, 1,000 people coming, whatever the case may be. We want to ensure that we find somewhere that our fans can come and watch.
Not even the old lady of sports in the parish, Jarrett Park, was spared in the hurricane.
Jarrett Park, we actually lost one of our towers, and that has now prevented us from providing night games if we should go ahead and utilize it for that purpose. The surface, the turf, remains in good condition at Jarrett Park, but the environment, we have to sort that out. We have to secure the park. We lost the gate. There's a hole in the wall, and we have to do some patchwork there and replace the gate so that we can get it back in a secure space.
Like the Montego Bay Sports Complex, Jarrett Park will benefit from an insurance payout. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
Right then, we take a halftime break and come back with lots more. Stay tuned.